Hi everyone, Nadine with MKM here, and I got a gift from my mom, my KitchenAid 7-cup food processor. I'm gonna unbox it with you and show you what's inside before this Sunday I take it to my mother so she can look at it and enjoy it. She's had hers for 20 years and it's time for an upgrade and definitely time for us to take this there. Okay, let's open it up and take a look inside and go through all the different things in the box. So let's open it here. So first we have the booklet right here showing us everything we need to know about the KitchenAid. And then let's get it out of there. Okay, so it's pretty sturdy in there. We come up with a cord right away. Okay, let's go piece by piece here. This is perfect for a medium-sized family, I would say, because it's not too big and it's not too small. It's just perfect. The manual does show you what everything is in there right here. So you can go through it here. You have your lid, you have your work bowl, you have your food pusher and all that other great crazy stuff in there. So let's go through them piece by piece. Here is your slicing, shredding disc right here. It is protected. They do have paper to protect it so you don't cut yourself through it. Make sure when you're unboxing such things that you are always safe doing that. And then you have your 7-cup processor right here that has a lid attachment that is so cool. Sorry, Mom, I'm gonna have to open it up so I can take it apart here. Let's see how it hooks up right here. Then you're gonna go down, you're gonna latch it, and you're gonna close it. And then of course you have your opening over here where you can drop the food in. You do have your chopper right inside right here. And then you have the main motor part, the actual motor part over here. Great gift, it's gonna come open. All right, so you're gonna have it right here. You can go on low, on high, and it usually on off, on, or pulse over here. So you can pulse it low or high. KitchenAid always has great products. This is no exception, and I'm sure my mom is gonna be absolutely in love with this one. Definitely highly recommended. I also have a KitchenAid, and you know what I love? I have the black one. I love the color of this one, the silver one, absolutely beautiful. And mine did not have this latch over here, so absolutely incredible. Love it and totally recommend it.